what's up, and welcome back to my channel. It is Dee from Busy with Dee, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I two-strand twist Damari's hair. Now, if you've seen my Damari's go-to hairstyle video, it's the exact same hairstyle, but her hair is stretched in this video, and I wanted to focus more on the two-strand twist and how to do it. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So here I have most of her hair put away in a scrunchie. I'm only using a quarter of her hair, and I am going to part that into 3 sections. Her hair is pretty much already moisturized from a previous hairstyle, so I'm only using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So starting with the first section, I'm going to apply the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, work that in just because I'm on the front of her hair. I'm adding a rubber band, but you can use a scrunchie or whatever works for you. We don't really have issues with the rubber bands pulling her hair out. I kind of just cut them out when I'm taking her style down. But each section will have 2 two-strand twists. So I'm splitting it in half, and then I am going to put one half out of the way and then twist the other half up. Okay, so to two-strand twist, you're going to take the section you're working with, split it into 2 pieces, and wrap the pieces tightly around each other, like so. Be sure not to pull the hair down too much as you're twisting, because you don't want to pull the hair from the roots. Now, if you want to prevent flyaways and things like that, you can go ahead and apply some sort of hold gel as you're twisting down the hair, or more moisturizer. When I get towards the end of the hair, I just wrap the remaining hair around my finger just to give it a curl, and then I apply a bourette. Alright guys, so that's pretty much how I do it. I just repeat this process on the other half of the hair, and then I do the exact same thing throughout her entire head. Now on this side, she has 3 sections. In each section will have 2 two-strand twists, so she will have 6 twists on one side and 6 twists on the other. Also guys, Damari has 4C hair, so if you want to see how I got her hair to look like this before I started this hairstyle, I will leave the link at the end of this video. I stretched her hair, and if you've seen my African threading stretching, I didn't use that method. I used something that I think is a lot quicker. So if you're interested in that, just wait till the end of the video or check in the description box below, and the link is there. Alright, so I'm all done with the first half, and I'm going to again repeat the same process on the other side of her head. Sometimes I do her entire head, but it was getting late, so she only has it in the front, and then I'll show you what I did with the back. Also, be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to see some of Damari's awesome spring pictures. Those were taken by Child's Play Photography, and I will leave their information in the description box below, as well as with the pictures at the end of the video. done, and as you can see, she is getting a little restless, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did with the back of her hair. Okay, so all I did was take a little Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and apply it to the back of her hair, because remember, her hair is already pretty much moisturized from the stretching method that I did. I'm just going to put this in a bun, but if you notice, I am not putting the scrunchie on the ends of her hair. I don't want to cause any friction or damage there. And then in the morning, I will twist the ends up towards the top and apply a bow. Okay guys, so that is pretty much it. I pulled the 2-strand twist up towards the top and middle of her hair so that the barrettes would not scratch her, and then I put on her bonnet, which is from Busy Bee Boutique, and that information is always in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.